Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Trump coin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And as you can see, we have this, of course, removed data from this chart before. Vito is one of the subscriber of this channel and an active member, and I thank him for the information that he provided. He said that this might be, of course, the probation, or I would say the testing of the chart, where they removed it after, of course, the launch. However, I'm gonna keep this anyway. It will not hurt, so we're gonna keep it, and we're gonna still base our analysis probably on it, since we saw, of course, this 0.30 or 0.23 playing as a support, by the way, where we saw a support here bouncing back again, and of course, and then I said, okay, this support is working well. And don't forget that this support is taken from the wave 2 here from the downside. As you can see, this is based on this wave 2. So therefore, I'm going to keep it. We're going to watch what's going to happen. So if those were played well, then therefore, of course, I'm going to keep it. Maybe the next target will be the 0.38, which is already in confluence with the 1-to-1 fib level as well, taken as a zigzag here, right? So yeah, a lot of confluence, knowing that if this was a test, of course, yeah, probability also is still high that these were still playing and are still playing until now, where we see confluence and a retracement on the 0.23. Now, yesterday video about this Trump coin, I said, okay, there is some potential since we saw some retracement here from the 0.23, and probably we still, of course, have one more leg toward the downside. I mentioned also that this is not impulsive because, of course, we don't see a 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 has interfered with your wave 1, which is not allowed in Elliott wave theory. An impulse, of course, wave 4 should be, of course, higher of your wave 1, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somehow like this, not getting deep, of course, in your zone 1 here. Therefore, this has transformed into an ABC, and I'm going here to the 1 hour chart to see much more clearer. Here we go. We have an ABC toward the downside, ABC toward the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect impulse, 5 for wave C. Finishing A, B, and a C toward the downside. And after this, of course, we got another corrective wave for an X. I would say if this is a W, X, and a Y, in case your wave Y, of course, it might be, of course, a zigzag here where we have reached, of course, A, B, and a C so far, but we have passed the first target, which is a 1-to-1 fib level, as you can see. Our next level is a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So probably your wave 5 might hit, of course, even lower than the 1.618. Taken, of course, from the start of this one and the end of the one and the bottom of the wave 2, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, this 1.618 is taken from this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, meaning finishing a wave 3 for 1, 2 here, and then, of course, 4, 5 to finish, guys, an A, B, and a C toward the downside. And that probably might end up with a big zigzag, finishing exactly on the 1-to-1 fib level, taken from the start of the A to the end of the A, and to the top here that we got for our wave X or B, in case we are in zigzag, meaning ABC would hit, of course, perfectly on $17.8 probably, and start to move towards the upside. And don't forget that also this is a 0.38 fib level for a wave 4, taken from this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So probably this wave 4 still playing, of course, in confluence, as we can see, as a fib target for this wave 4. And yeah, so I'm targeting actually the 17.5. I will go to the extreme with it, since we didn't see or like really major drop with this coin as expected. We start to see some momentum, slow momentum toward the downside, rather than very fast momentum. This is what I was expecting, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hitting invalidation. This coin is damned and finished, right? But this was not the case. Let us be honest. a very long momentum, slowing down and going correctively, meaning of course higher prices. Yep, so these are the scenarios for Trump coin. Of course, let's watch and see. Don't forget that this chart is risky, as profitable as well, but trade safe always. Don't forget that a little bit drop from this or a little bit higher can move a very, very high. As you can see, 30% still have until down, and even if it moves higher a little bit, yeah, we can until the all-time high we have 200%. I know it is profitable, but try guys to have a strategy and a plan in case you want to trade this, and trade safe always. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.